Hi, this is Kelly from Enhanced Car Audio and Security. We've just upgraded this Volvo V40 2018 plate with Apple Carplay. At the moment, this is all the original dash. If we press and hold the exit button, that takes us into the Apple Carplay interface. The interface is wireless, so here's the phone that we're controlling. We can skip through the apps using the roller. We go into Ways, show you how that looks on the screen. And then again, we use the exit button to be able to come out and go into the different views. For this particular model, we've also added a reversing camera. So if we pop this into reverse, that's the reverse image. And when you're done, if you want to come out of the Apple CarPlay, you just press and hold the exit again. If you'd like any further information or advice about this, please give us a call on 01622 737393.